Carlo at Janet, ang pag-iisang dibdib ay hindi lang today. Ang pag-ibig ay hindi lang yesterday. Ang pag-iisang dibdib is through the years, habang buhay.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, so spend it like it's gold. I'm living like I'm not zeros. Got no regrets even when I'm broke. Yeah, I'm at my best when I got something I wanted to steal. They're too busy for them problems and problems to feel. Yeah, yeah, no stressing, just obsessing with sealing the deal. I take it in and let it go, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't Sa piling walang nadarama, ang tunay na pagsinta. Pagyakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Minsan lang ako nakadama ng ganito, pag-ibig na wagas at sadyang totoo. Nananabik itong aking puso. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At tangi kong hiling ay makapiling ka lagi. Kailangan kita makapiling ka lagi.
Carlo, ikaw ay para lamang kay Janet. Janet, ikaw ay para lamang kay Carlo. Merong tinatawag na exclusivity and unity in marriage. One man, one woman. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, I love you today until further notice. Hindi. Kung hindi, through the years. Kaya napakaganda. Naririto kami para to support you in your journey to married life. We believe that faith in God would always prevail as long as kayong dalawa ay aalala ng inyong pinagtipan sa araw na ito. Every day in your life, sabay kayong manalangin. Sinasabi nga, ang susi sa matiwasay at haligi ng matatag na pamilya ay panalangin. Prayer. Prayer transcends boundaries. Prayer transcends religion. Prayer transcends personality. Prayer unites us with the author of life and love. Kaya, panalangin. Pangalawa is listening. Pakikinig. To listen to one another. Not only kung ano ang sinasabi, but listen behind the words and actions. Listening is connected with love. Kaya sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay, may you learn how to listen from the heart and speak out your heart. Love is what the foundation of your married life is today. Janet, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Carlo na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Carlo, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Janet na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sometimes I wish that I could just quit, but then the other times there's nobody better than this. Even though you never listen and you're always right, and I guess I would've never bit your
Palakpakan po
type,
natin ang bagong kasal.
except for that first night, the two kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that our roads led to this. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that our roads led to this. So give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss.
Maybe it's the way you say my name. Maybe it's the way you play your game. But it's so good. I've never known anybody like you. But it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine.
built and those years we've been through. We love you and
When you're looking at me,
we love you and we're here for you. Not only Carlo but also as your friend. We're all here for you. We love you, John.
Believe din ako kay Carlo kasi masipag, mapagmahal.
once in a lifetime.
Ayun na, lahat-lahat na, all package.
Full package.
Yun lang, ang masasabi ko is congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Yan, pagpatuloy nyo lang kung ano yung sinimulan yung dalawa. Ayan, thank you. Congrats.
I see forever in
Siguro ito na yung dapat nilang harapin sa mga panahon na to yun. Ginusto na nila to eh. Kaya magmahalan kayo, ilagay nyo sa tama yung pagsasama nyo para laging magkasundo sa bawat oras, araw, hanggang sa panahon na magkaroon kayo ng mga supli.
Message ko lang sa inyong dalawa. Saan na kayo? Punta na kayo sa magulong buhay. Pinakamagulong buhay. Kaya sana magsama kayo, ma'am. Yan ang message ko.
Salamat at nangyari na rin yung kasal ng anak ko. Sana magsama lang kayo ng ayos. Huwag kailang away. Pag away, tampuhan lang yan. Away lang yan. Huwag nyo intindi. Magsama lang kayo ng maayos. Congratulations sa inyo.
Salamat sa pagbisita niyo po, pagiging sponsor niyo po sa pagbisita po ninyo sa pag-attend niyo po sa kasal ng anak ko. Salamat po talaga. Ang masasabi ko lang naman, basta magmahalan kayo ng lubusan. Basta mahal ko kayo. Yun lang.
There's nothing colder than your shoulder when you're dragging me along like you do. Like you do. And then you switch up with no warning and you kiss me like you want it. How rude, how rude. But I kinda like it anyways. I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days. I know you'll come around to me eventually. If you sit back, relax, enjoy my company, my company. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, cause it feels so.
At matao sa lahat ng pumunta, mga bisita ko, ninong-ninang, sa mga nagsuporta, mama, papa, mga tita, tito ko, sa lahat ng pamilya ko, kaibigan, salamat sa inyo.
Yun po, finally, naging successful naman po yung weather natin today. Thank you din po sa family po namin, sa family ko po, sa family po ni Carlo, sa amin pong ninong at ninang na talagang pumunta pa po, na kahit nasa malayo pa po, kina Ninong Rafael, kina Ninang April, kay Patrick po na from Australia pa po. Thank you po Ninang Ninong Pat. Kay Ninang Weng po, from Japan naman po si Ninang Weng. Thank you po Ninang. At sa lahat po ng nanggaling pa po ng Puerto, ng Riutuba, saan po ba? Ng Nara po, napakalayo. Thank you po. Syempre po, sa amin pong mga sponsors, thank you po. Sa amin pong coordinator, Ma'am Mitch and team po. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Sa amin pong photographer, kay Sir Gids and team po. Thank you so much, sir. Sa amin pong venue stylist, Ma'am Princess. Thank you po, Ma'am. Yan lang po. Thank you po sa lahat.